Hello friends, my name is Dr.Bharath Chandra. Today's video for everybody, for somebody who is a beginner of stock market, to give an idea. Friends, everybody must have some knowledge about stock market. Whether you invest or not, it is essential to have some knowledge. Why the stocks are going up, why it comes down, how one makes losses in the stock market, what is index, what is bulls and bears, etc. Normally, people associate stock market with loss, race, it is only for the rich, total confusion, difficulty in managing, it is like gambling, etc. My dear friends, stock market, there are two markets, primary market, secondary market. More about it later. Let us imagine an entrepreneur wants to start a phenyl making company called ABC Phenyl Company. One of the methods of collecting money is via floating the shares to general public. ABC Phenyl Company raises an initial public offer called as IPO. And then if you purchase the shares of the ABC Phenyl Company, then you are called a shareholder. For example, if that company wants rupees 1 crore from the general public for their machinery to be imported from France, then they can float 10 lakhs shares of rupees 10 each, which totals to 1 crore. Let us assume you purchased 100 shares by paying rupees 1000. Let us imagine after 2 years, the rupees 10 share appreciates to rupees 16. Then, if you sell your 100 shares worth 1000, you will get rupees 1600, an appreciation of 60% after 2 years. A good and decent returns. My dear friends, you cannot sell the shares back to the same company. You are selling it to some other interested buyer through the stock market or stock exchange. For your information, in India, there are two stock exchanges, National Stock Exchange or NSE, Bombay Stock Exchange or BSE. All the companies list their shares in these exchanges. For example, if monsoon is bountiful, then fertilizer shares go up. Tractor manufacturing companies benefit. Pesticide companies improve. Generally, market goes up because farmer has more crops, more money in his pocket, etc. More spending power and hence more FMCG are being purchased like soaps, biscuits, toothpaste, etc. We can buy from newly starting a company called IPO, or if you miss that opportunity, then we can buy the shares from established company via secondary market. Let us understand how the price of a stock goes up or down. Stock market follows the principle of demand and supply almost like a vegetable market. Take the example of tomato. If too much supply of tomato in the market, rate comes down. If no supply, tomato rates will go up because of the high demand. Similarly, in stock market, for example, there is too much supply of Asian Paint shares on a given day, there are more sellers than buyers, then the rate of stock comes down. The next day, there are no sellers of Asian Paint, there are more buyers, then the stock price goes up. This happens for most of the days in stock market and all through the year, and it happens to all the stocks the same way. By this way, people make profit or make loss in stock market. Now let us understand how to profit by buying a stock. If a company makes profit, they distribute dividends by cash, or instead of distributing the money, company may issue bonus shares. For example, if you had purchased 100 shares of Wipro in 1980 by paying rupees 100 each, the total investment would have been approximately rupees 10,000. The same investment today would give you approximately over 800 crores, and your original investment was only 10,000 in 1980 because of bountiful bonuses the company issued over the years. There are many ace investors in India who have made profits in multiple crores over the years. Example, Rakesh Junjunwala, Ramesh Damani, Radha Krishna Damani, Vijay Kedia, etc. Now, there are many good websites and newspapers to learn more about stock market. Today, I am only covering aspects that are required for a beginner who comes into stock market for the first time in his life. First one is moneycontrol.com. Second, Google. Third one is investing.com. Fourth one is Economic Times newspaper. Number 5 is Business Standard, etc. One exercise I'm prescribing to all of you, which is worth doing, which will give you more knowledge about stock market, is learn to find out daily profits, weekly profits, yearly profits, and 10-year profits, etc. by using the websites. Now, how to buy the stocks in a nutshell? You need not go anywhere. No need of laptop or computer. You can buy stocks sitting at home by downloading the app of the stockbroking companies and sell and buy using your smart mobile phone, or simply calling up the broker and placing the orders. My dear friends, this was all about the basics of the stock market, part 1. I hope you enjoyed understanding this. Thank you for seeing the whole video. Bye-bye.